All right, so we are now creating an account. You can pick any one of these. So I'm just going with the ESV. Got a tutorial here. So you can read all of these things here. You can either press the thing up here to the right with a little arrow, or you can actually tap one of the dots down at the bottom if you've gone through it before and you just want to get to a certain place. So I'm going to skip a couple here. See how the dot moved up to there? Now I'm skipping two more by tapping on the bottom. And then I'm just going to use the right arrow to go to the others. Then when I get to the end, I have a next button. The next button is going to allow me to follow these instructions for setting up. I suggest you just ignore what these say here and press next. For now, you can change them later. Leave on progressive rotation unless you have a whole lot of verses and you want to do them all without coordination. You just want to go straight through them all. Just click next here. So we're going to have you pick two verses. You're going to pick one from topics. So we're just going to take accountability and we're going to press add. Now it's brought you to a book. See across the top here? Now we'll just take one from Genesis. We'll take the first one, say add. So you're all set. Tap the start button to sign in and begin memorizing the first two verses. So you have to use the email that you got as a reservation or that you used to purchase. And so we're signed in here with this one that I did. I created a free account for somebody, and now I'm letting them do reviewing. And if I start review with this person right here, it's going to have the two verses that they added to start with. Here is the one from the topic. So we'll look at the hint. Genesis 6:5. No, this is from the book of the Bible. So I just went with Genesis, the first verse in there, go through each of these. And then down on the bottom, I press the double arrow to move to the next one, or I can press the finger on the bottom to see the whole back side of the card. And you see down at the bottom there, it says card 1 of 2. Okay. Now we'll go to the next card, do our hints. And this is going to be from accountability. So you got one from the books of the Bible and one from the topics. Topic, which was accountability, and I'm going to press the finger at the bottom to slip to the back side. Go here, and it's going to say you've completed. You've done 1 day in a row, and then you're going to get a record of how you're doing. Press finish, and you can do it again, or you can go in the upper left-hand corner where the three little hamburger, they call it, is the menu, and you can go MemLok. So you can change the Bible version, which is the second one down, by just selecting the one that you want. I'm not going to. Days between, I'd leave that alone for now. Every 5 days, you're going to be asked to add a new card. You can do it as fast as you want, as slow as you want. I recommend you stick with that. And you can have as many verses as you want in your review as you want. This message from Drake comes every day, 5 days a week anyway. And I would suggest you leave those on because you'll get an opportunity to turn them off and come peek at one, but only see yesterday's. And then the daily reminder, if you'd like to be reminded to review, you can set the time here.